So, hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing something new, and it's about something which is there in our computer but we don't realize it. So, today we'll talk about something called as snipping tools. I'll let you know what exactly is snipping tool. So, what we need to do is, it's if you're using a Windows device, we will definitely have it in our Windows devices. Just you need to just go on, click on the start button, and you'll get an option of search. You just type snipping, and the moment you'll type SNIN, you can see the first option which you'll get is snipping tool. Now this is very interesting tool. What it does is it allows you to just take a pic of anything which is there on your screen, and you can edit that also. So I'll be just showing you, I'll be giving you a small demo of the same also. So let's go ahead. I'll open it, and the moment you'll open it, you'll get this, and you need to just click on new, and whatever is there on your screen, you can just take a pic of it. So you can just see I just took a pic of my desktop icon, and I can edit this as per my requirement. There is option of pen which is based on whatever is your requirement. You can change the colors of pen, you can use any color, so this way. And you can also make it thick, you can make it fine point, you can make it to round pen, round tip pen, and all those things. So let's see, I'll just show you some changes. So you can see I just did some annotation in this image, and then you can just save it here. And the moment you'll save it, you click on save it, you will get an option. You can save it the way you want to do it in a regular way. And so I'll just show you how it will save. It will save it as PNG file, which is portable network graphic. So I'll also show you how it will look like. So you can see here the image. So let's say if you're teaching in the classroom and you want to use a newspaper cutting as a reference and you want to teach it in the classroom. So let's say I have gone to a newspaper. This is an online newspaper, and make a snip from the newspaper. And this snip, I took it up, and this also gives me an advantage that I can highlight something which I want to discuss in the classroom. So you can see I have highlighted this part, and it also has an option of eraser, so I can erase it. I have highlighted this for my classroom to discuss, and then this gives me an option of saving it. If I have my PPT open, I can just click Control V, and it's saved by default. The highlighted part is also saved. Now this is one important use. The second one is you can just take a snip of it, and is ready. This is ready for me to discuss in my classroom. And rather than downloading images, I could just take it as quick as possible. If you want to take it from a video, I can do that also. So this is a video which has been playing, and I want one part of it, one part of the video to be captured for my discussion, and I can just click on new, you can see, and I can capture this. So I've captured this from the video on your slide. You are ready. This way snipping tool can be a very effective tool to be used inside the classroom, because it gives you an advantage of capturing the images as easily and as quickly as possible. Although there's an option of print screen, but using a snipping tool is way better than using the option of print screen. So try it out and do let me know what do you think about the option of snipping tool. Put your comments in the chat box, and that's it from my end. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.